Here in this presentation we are going to see about interface in Java. Learning objectives, inheritance, understanding interface, usage of implements and extents. Tools used are JDK 1.6 and Windows 8. OOPS concept. A language is said to be object-oriented programming language if it supports the basic concepts of OOPS, that is data abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance and polymorphism. Inheritance. Here we are going to see only about inheritance because this interface comes under inheritance. So if we take inheritance, it is deriving the features of the parent class in the child class and reusing it. It is mainly introduced for reusability. But in the case of Java, multiple type of inheritance is not possible directly. So we cannot do inheritance of two classes. For example, class A extends B, C, where B and C are classes. This is not possible in case of Java. So in order to achieve the concept of multiple inheritance, Java introduced another concept called interface. So what is an interface? This is similar to a class in Java. This is used to implement the concept of multiple inheritance in Java. This, if you have a interface, it can be inherited by a class. That is, more than one or more interfaces can be extended or used or implemented in a class. Interface extends interface. This is another concept. And next, interface has only abstract methods. We cannot have non-abstract method. It has only abstract methods. So abstract methods or methods which don't have any definition. Only declaration part is there. Interface has only constant values. So syntax. So we have to create interface name. So we have all abstract methods and the constant value declarations. Example. So here we have two examples. One is interface A and the one is interface B. Here we have a constant value pi and another method called void area. So this is an abstract method. Here we have only method, that is void perimeter. So how we are going to implement an interface in a class? So we know that we have two interfaces. These two interfaces can be implemented in a class, thus achieving multiple inheritance. So if you take class circle, it implements A and B. So it is always advisable for us to override the method of void area and void perimeter, because these two methods don't have any definition in the interface. So we have to define with our own definition while we are implementing in the class. So here we have a constructor. So the constructor is used for initializing the value, and then we find area and perimeter. So how to create and use object? So for the class we have declared, here we have circle. So for the circle class we have created an object, and using the object call the area method and perimeter. So we have the area method and perimeter. So this can be called like this, c.area and c.perimeter. So we have the output, since we are passing 1 as the parameter. So 2 pi r and pi r square, the values are going to be 3.14, and for perimeter we have 6.28. So another concept is interface extending interface. So suppose if you have interface and if you want to implement those things which are present in one interface to another interface, we use the keyword extends but not implements. So interface one extends another one. So here we have void area and void perimeter. This shows that in interface B we have both area and perimeter. So in the class we can do, instead of implementing A and B, it is enough if we implement only B. But the similar thing is done here as in the previous program. So we have overridden the area as well as the perimeter methods. So as far as interface is concerned, the important points about interface is you cannot create an object for instance. We cannot create an object for an interface, but only for the class which inherits the interface. If a class does not override the method, that is, it inherits the interface but does not override the method, then the inheriting class becomes an abstract class. We cannot create an object for an abstract class. So we must implement the methods of interface in the inheriting class. So we have the assignment like we have to create two interfaces, implement the concept of multiple inheritance, create objects and call the methods. Thank you.